Afternoon mga Katimbol Vlogs! Welcome sa isa namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, December 29, 2024, Sunday here in Wellington, New Zealand. So, come on! Let's welcome to our daily bus checks. Ang gamitin nating bus ngayon ay isang medium bus. Bus number 4197 with registration plate number GRT 789. Okay. Which is registered until July 16, 2025. So, all good. Check na natin yung mga tama niya. Mahirap nang hindi mag-check. Baka tayang mapag-bintangan. Yan, yung mga dati ng tama. So, yung gulong is all good. Adjusters is apat na lang ang nilalagay nilang adjuster. This is a 6-wheeler bus only. Okay, all good. Adjusters are all good. And yun. Yan, may mga tama na. Yan. Old damage, old body damage, damages, and this one also mga marurumi lang yan. Yan, adjusters, pero to talagang tama na yan. Old damage. Yan, all good. Old damage, all good. So this one, check natin tong loob, baka may nawawalang upuan. All good. So that concludes our bus check for today. Paalam and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat.